In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle responses in CSV file in Google Forms. By the end, you'll know exactly how to download all of your form submissions as a clean CSV file you can use in spreadsheets, data tools, or to share with your team. First, go to Google Forms in your web browser. If you're already using Google Workspace or Gmail, you can access it directly by visiting the Forms homepage. This takes you to your dashboard where you'll see your most recent forms laid out as cards. If you have a lot of forms, the recent ones appear at the top, making them easy to spot. Next, select your recent form and click it to open. This loads the form editor where you typically build questions. You don't need to change the form itself to export data. We're just heading to the area that stores all the responses you've collected so far. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct form by checking the title at the top. At the top of the form editor, click the Responses tab. This tab sits alongside the Questions tab and switches the view from form building to results. Here you'll see a summary of responses, any individual submissions, and tools for managing the data. If you've received responses, the count will be visible on the tab, which is a helpful quick check that there's data to download. In the responses view, look for the three vertical dots, also known as More Options, typically near the top right of the panel. Click those dots to open the menu. This menu includes options for managing how responses are handled, and it's where Google Forms places the export controls so you can download your data in different formats. From that menu, click Download Responses.csv. Google Forms will prepare a CSV file that includes a header row with your question titles and one row per submission. CSV stands for comma separated values, a simple text format that works across tools like Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, and most data platforms. Your browser will save the file to your default downloads location. The file name usually reflects the form's title, and the data typically includes timestamps, short answers, and selected choices in plain text. If your form has checkboxes, expect multiple selections to appear within the same cell, separated by commas. That's it. Anytime you collect new responses, repeat this download to get the latest data snapshot. For best results, keep your question titles clear and consistent so the CSV headers are easy to recognize later. And always review the file for accuracy and privacy before sharing. You now have a portable CSV of your Google Forms responses ready for analysis or reporting.